In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the header height in WordPress. Whether you're fine-tuning the design of your website or simply trying to make your header fit your overall aesthetic, adjusting the header height is a quick and easy way to enhance your site's appearance. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to customize your header padding like a pro. And if you're new to WordPress, don't worry, I'll guide you every step of the way. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to your WordPress website. Once the site has loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login option. From the Login menu, select the Continue with Google option. Now, this is a fast and secure way to log in without needing to type in any additional credentials. Next, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your browser. Simply click on the account you want to use to access your WordPress dashboard. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the WordPress dashboard. Here, locate the Quick Links section. It's a helpful panel designed to give you easy access to commonly used features. In this section, click on the Edit Site option. If you manage multiple websites under the same account, WordPress will display a list of all your sites. Select the one you want to edit, and it'll take you directly into the site editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the Edit button. Clicking this will open up the customization interface, where all the magic happens. Now, let's move into the customization process. On the right-hand side of your screen, there's a panel with various design options. Look for the Style section and click on it. This section is your hub for tweaking the overall look and feel of your website. Within the Style panel, locate and click on the Dimensions section. This area is specifically where you can adjust the spacing on your site. When you're in the Dimensions section, you'll see an option for padding size. Adjusting this setting will directly influence the height of your header. If you want your header to appear larger, increase the padding size. On the other hand, if you prefer a more compact header, decrease the padding size instead. Take your time here and make small adjustments until the header height aligns with your design preferences. Finally, visually confirm the changes you've made. Take a moment to review how your adjustments look on the live preview. This step ensures that the header height matches your desired outcome before you publish your changes. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to change the header height in WordPress using the padding size settings. If you have any questions or tips for customizing WordPress, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.